Welcome to pure vibration. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. This is your time to relax. This is your time to reset. Today you will hear 21 powerful affirmations. They are designed to gently reprogram your mind and raise your vibration. The number 21 represents transformation. Repeating positive thoughts for 21 days helps create new mental patterns, new habits, and a new way of thinking. As you listen, allow each affirmation to sink deeply into your subconscious mind. If you can, repeat each affirmation silently or out loud. Let us begin. I am calm. I am centered. I am at peace. I attract positive energy into my life. My mind is clear, focused, and relaxed. I am worthy of love, abundance, and success. Every breath I take fills my body with peace. I release fear. I welcome trust. My life is unfolding in perfect timing. I choose thoughts that support my highest good. I am aligned with the energy of abundance. My body, mind, and spirit are in harmony. I let go of what no longer serves me. I am grateful for everything I have and everything that is coming. I radiate confidence and inner strength. I deserve happiness and fulfillment. My energy is pure, powerful, and magnetic. I trust myself. I trust my journey. Each day, I become a better version of myself. I am protected, guided, and supported. I speak kindly to myself and to others. I am creating a life I love. I am exactly where I need to be. Take another deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Return to these affirmations daily for 21 days and notice how your thoughts, your emotions, and your life begin to shift. Thank you for listening. This is pure vibration.